Hi, in this tutorial I will show you how to replace the battery in a Suzuki Nippon car remote. Tools that you would require: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, or a plastic prying or spurger tool, or metal prying or spurger tool. Part required is a replacement CR1620 lithium 3-volt battery. You would require WD-40 if the screw on the remote is rusted and is difficult to come out. To remove the cover, you need to remove this screw. Use the Phillips screwdriver and turn anti-clockwise to open, like so. Remove the screw and keep it aside in a safe place. Open the cover like so. Now suppose the screw cannot be opened because say it's rusted or something else even after putting WD-40. Don't worry, lift up the remote like so. Use the metal spurger, insert it at the side like so and pry the lock out. Let me zoom in. There. And rotate it slowly . Like so. Be careful when you are doing this, you can break the plastic. There we go. Press on the rubber pad so as to push out the remote housing from the key shell. To open the remote housing cover, locate this area and use the flathead screwdriver to pry out the cover like so. Get the battery out like so. While opening the battery, take care the battery and the connector can fly out. As you can see the small plastic part out here, it helps in retaining or securing the connector. If the connector comes out, install it back like so. Install the new CR1620 lithium 3-volt battery like so. Here are the various parts of your Suzuki remote key. Let's quickly install everything back together. To tighten, turn clockwise. Put back the cover by turning this cover like so. And depress this part. Like this. That will be all. Thanks for watching and hope this video helps you. Subscribe to the channel, like, share and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Stay safe.